What is up, guys? Here.
Hi guys! Hi
We're at Movenpick. Movenpick.
Sa future anak namin. Dito kami sa Boracay.
Salamat po. Day 2.
Day 2 in Bora Bora.
Okay, we're gonna have breakfast. Scared.
Ready na lang, would you like to try our movie chef, please? Papaya, cucumber, and carrots po.
Ano ba?
Stop. Parang blended.
Sige pa, thank you. Ay! Sushi, chicken nuggets, mini Salisbury's Day, sunny side up, pancake, eggs Benedict, and garlic rice. We're going to... Hindi ko alam. Basta pumunta kami ngayon sa Dimo. Palengke.
Explore.
Explore cheaper things.
Exploration. Kasi ang mahal dun sa Movenpick.
Imagine yung merienda namin na
2-1.
pizza and just truffle mushroom pasta. 2,000. So, swimming na naman kami. We're gonna swim again. Kasi it's our ilang days pa natin tayo dito.
3 days, 2 days last.
Last 2 days in Movenpick. Station 0. Then, we're going to transfer to Zuzuni Station 1. Just for experience, para makabili din like ng anything. Para kasi tayong ano dito eh. Na-quarantine. Yan. POV. Ha? POV. Ayaw, wasan. Uy! Mama! Mama ko! Ayaw nga namin may alon eh. Sige na buhay namin dito eh. Day 3. Day 3 out of 5. Here. Burger. Ano to? Fish. Whatever fish starter sauce. Baked mac and cheese. Ano to? Korean fried chicken, French toast. And salisay lang. Where are we going? Tabisaan.
Kabisaan.
Tabisaan.
Ha?
Tabisaan.
Tabisaan Beach. Picture lang tayo.
Sige pa.
Para makarami. Perfect. Okay. Merong naka-zoom, meron naka...
Yeah, ang ganda.
Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan ka ba? Gawa kayo ng malaking heart. Yun, eh, anong... Hindi, yung kamay sa taas nyo, yung palit-palit nyo. Swipe, ganyan. Yan.
Today is our last day here at Movenpick. Pang ilang day na natin? Fourth day. Fourth day at Boracay. And we still have 3 days more. 2 days. 2 days more. Ilipat kami bukas. Sa Susuni, Station 1. Morning. Day 3 breakfast. Portosino, French toast, longanisa, bacon, adobo, chicken nuggets. Station 1. Lesson learned?
Station 0 na lang talaga.
Yeah. So, if you're gonna stay in Boracay and if you want peace, peace of mind, privacy, at makapag-swimsuit ng malaya, Station 0. Yeah.
Gusto ko ng ano, socializationism.
Yeah, kung gusto mo ng social life, dito ka. Pero pag talaga katahimikan ang gusto mo, Station 0, pero expect the foods to be pricey, expensive. So, tsaga-tsaga sa shuttle. Yeah, yun na yun. And we're now waiting for Parao.
Ano? Parasailing.
Parasailing. Technically, it is a parasailing para sa sunset. Pero,
Nasa boat.
cloudy ngayon sa Boracay. Actually, since nung dumating kami, nung Tuesday, June
2. July 2. July 2.
Ay, July 2. Dumating kami July 2, umuulan na. Medyo bipolar ang weather today sa Boracay.
Kita yung vlog. Legit up.
We're here at Muni-muni. Muni-muni. Wala lang, hindi.
Okay na yun. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Ang tayo bilo-bilo. Salam po. Ano ba?
Salam po.
Kaya na tayo lang.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mamaya. Dito.